Okay, Assalamualaikum and good morning to everyone. Okay, today we'll learn on how to solve the system of linear equation using these two methods, which is Gauss elimination method and Gauss-Jordan elimination method. Okay, before this, we solve the system of linear equation using the Cramer's rule, and another one is using the method in chapter 1 and chapter 2. Okay, you can refer what I'm talking about. Okay, how to solve the system of linear equations. Okay, using the last videos. Okay, now we will solve the system of linear equations. Sorry. Now we will solve the system of linear equation using these two methods. Okay, the Gauss elimination method, we will use the properties of rho epsilon form, and then Gauss-Jordan, okay, Gauss elimination method. Okay, it is more shortest word. Okay, we use rho epsilon form properties, but if we want to solve the system of linear equations using the Gauss-Jordan elimination method, okay, which Gauss-Jordan, more longer words, so we use the reduced rho epsilon form. Okay, Gauss elimination method, okay, must use rho epsilon form properties like this one. Okay, means that the numbers, okay, before the leading one, this is the leading one, right? Okay, the numbers before the leading one, which I have marked it as the x, right? It can be, okay, the x can be any numbers. Okay, it can be 0, it can be 1, it can be 2, it can be 10, it can be -1. Okay, and then the lower triangular, okay, must be 0 numbers. That is rho epsilon form properties. The diagonal must be 1. Okay, this is what is rho epsilon form. Therefore, if we want to solve this system of linear equations using Gauss elimination method, we must make sure, okay, the matrix that we transform from the system of linear equation must be in this form. Okay, is it clear? Okay, the system of linear equation, first of all, we must transfer this system into the matrix form. Okay, then we will use the row elementary operation so that it at the last answer it can be in this form. Okay, the row epsilon form. So we, let's say, at the first place, I'll make sure that the array to 1 will become 0. When I want to make that array, this array, to be 0, then the whole row, the second row, this one will be changed lah. The number will be changed, but the row 1, the row 3, the numbers will remain the same. Okay, like this one lah. It will become like this. Okay, see, only the second row will change. Okay, but the first row and the third row stay the same. Okay, then what I will do next, then I will make sure that array 31 will be 0. To make array 31 to be 0, I use this row elementary operation. Okay, it means that R3, that means that the R3 the numbers in R3 will be changed. See, the third row, the numbers has been changed, but the first and the second row stay the same. Okay. Okay, I have teach you in the chapter 1. So solve it. Okay, see my notes. Try to do it by yourself. Try to understand. Okay, and the last matrix must be in this kind of form. Okay, we must make sure it will be like row echelon form. Okay, so it must be like this. Must be like this one. See, the diagonal is number 1. The upper triangular is any numbers, and the lower triangular, okay, lower triangular, this one, okay, is in 0 numbers. Okay, so what to do? So see here, okay, this is the first column is refer for X. The second column is refer for Y. The third column is refer for Z. So this number 1 is refer for Z. Since it is in the Z column, so the number 1 is equals to Z. So Z equals to 3. Okay. So for the second column, at the second row, the number 1 is refer for Y. Okay. And then equals to Y equals to 4 minus 2 to Z. Why Z? Because the third column, as I said before, the third column is for Z. So Y equals to 4 minus 2Z. Okay. Since we know that the value of Z, so we insert the value of Z into the Y. Okay. Here. Insert the Z equals to 3 into this Z. Then we get the value of Y. So same goes to X. Okay, this is column for X. Okay, so X equals to 6 minus 2Y minus 3Z. Okay, like this one. Since we know the value of Y, we know the value of Z, then we solve it and we get the value of X. So it will become like this one. Okay, try to do it by yourself and we will understand. Okay, if you don't understand, then you can ask me. Okay.